Good morning, I'm Ronnie with Alina Group, and today we're going to be doing a Ruud installation, and we're waiting for our delivery from store T23, where we get excellent customer service and excellent customer service from Tropic Supply. You guys are absolutely amazing. Good morning, this is Ronnie with Alina Group, and here is Santos with our Ruud delivery. We're doing a Ruud installation today. Good morning, I'm Ronnie with Alina Group, and this morning we're installing an Achiever 15 series by Ruud. This is a quiet, adorable unit, reliable, very efficient, and it certainly has a lot of a curb appeal. It's a very nice looking unit, and we're going to begin this installation. Thank you. Good morning, this is Ronnie with Alina Group, and this is our customers Mike and Krista.
Good morning.
We're very excited to get our Ruud equipment installed.
And they're wearing our Breast Cancer Awareness Month shirt, and if you turn around, you'll see the Ruud logo. And thank you, Mike and Krista.
You're welcome.
And we have our old equipment ripped out, and we're ready to install this new Ruud. And we have our Ruud in place, and we'll be getting ready for startup soon. And we are complete with our Ruud installation. The customer is really happy, and we couldn't be happier with this equipment. This Ruud is really an amazing piece of equipment. It's a nice looking piece of equipment, and we're very happy. So thank you.
Thank you, Alina Group. We're very happy with the installation of our new Ruud air conditioner.
It was a clean job and the guys were really professional.